Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on LinkedIn. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn account. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to linkedin.com. You will be taken to the home page. Here, tap Join Now at the top right. You can create your LinkedIn account using your email address or your Google account. In this video, we will be using the email method. So, enter your email address or phone number and create a password. Tap Continue. Next, add in your details. Enter your first and last name and tap Agree and Join. Also, add your location and tap Let's Get Started. Now, add your most recent job and company. If you don't have any work experience, tap I don't have work experience and tap Continue. LinkedIn will send a confirmation code to your email, so enter the code here. And if you are looking for a job, tap Yes and follow the instructions. If you are not looking for a job, tap Not Now. Your account has been created, so go to your profile and add your information to get started. And that's how you create a LinkedIn account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.